Fight for a new 400,000 now. At fight number 500,000. I got a farm, 600,000, got a 600, we have 700,000 there, 800,000 now. I got 8 and we have 800,000 there. And the bush shot there from the door.
Vandag is daar geskiedenis gemaak by die Pilanesberg Game Breeders se veiling waar daar vir die eerste keer Royal Rooibokke te koop aangebied is. Die Ram Da Vinci is vir R1.1 miljoen verkoop en dragtige ooe vir R475,000 elk. Die hoogtepunt vir die dag was die 25% aandeel in die King Jabu trop koning willebeeste wat verkoop is vir R7.5 miljoen.
This is an established herd, in my opinion. It's one of the very finest King's Wildebeest herds in the country. Four and a quarter now at 4.25 over here, and what is it going to a 4.25 now at 4,250,000, and let's go there now at 4,250,000 there. I'm going to miss it at 4 and a quarter, but a 4 and a quarter. What is it at 4 and a quarter now? And the bus right here at 4.5 million, sir. At 4.5, and there we have, and the bus right here at 4.5, and at the time of people paying at 4.5 now at 5 million over 5 million, and at the time here, and the bus right here at 5 over 5 the time of 5 now at 5 million. Have the time here at 5 million is where we're going now. I'm going to make it a 5 and a quarter, but a 5,250 at 6 million, 6.5 and then now 6.5 over the time 6.5. I'm going to make it there, and what is it? 6.5 number 6.5 million. I'm going to make a sum. How we through and no more at 6.7, 6.750, 6.750 back at number 6.750. Another time they folks any balls all through at 6 million, who made a 7.5. What do you say at 7,200,000.5 here? 7.5, we're going to go there. I'm going to make us on 7.5, and then we have, and I'm starting at 7.5 million now. 7,500,000 we got there with Oki for the first time. Second, all through 7.5, and done at 7.5 million. I think they've given him a big hand there. Thank you very much indeed. It's 7.5 million. Thank you very much indeed. Right, Vickers and Hannes Pretorius, Buffalo Creek, let's give him a big hand there. Bye-bye, Ranky, proud members of Wildlife Legacy.
Maak seker om Maandag 9 Mei te kyk na die volledige episode van die Pilanesberg Game Breeders veiling, slegs hier op wildliferanching.tv.